So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to adjust Samsung dishwasher legs, leveling for leaks, noise and door fit. Step 1 is adjusting the front leg. Unscrew the lower axis panel to expose the dishwasher leg. Rotate the front leg counterclockwise to raise that corner. Rotate the front leg clockwise to lower that corner. Use a spirit level on top of the tub or door rails for guidance. Step 2 is adjusting the back leg. Locate the rear adjustment screw at the bottom front near the center of the dishwasher. To raise the back of the dishwasher, use a hex or Allen wrench and turn the screw to the left. To lower the back of the dishwasher, turn the screw to the right. Verify the adjustment by placing a level vertically against the front door or inside the tub to ensure the unit is plumbed front to back. Third step is check door clearance. Open and close the dishwasher door several times to test functionality. Ensure the top of the door clear the countertop and surrounding cabinet without scraping. Make micro adjustment to the front leg if the door catches during operation. Thanks for watching.